Good morning, everyone. Today we will start our first chapter, that is planning in sports. But before that, we will start with meaning of physical education. Physical education is education about the physical structure to maintain health, because health is wealth, and without health we are not able to do our daily routine work or in our life. Now coming to the chapter planning. Planning is the most important part of our life. If we will do our work without planning, then we will never get any kind of positive response from our effort. Basically, planning is the thinking process before the work, where it is to be done, when it is to be done, and by whom it is to be done. Next, the objective of planning. First of all, good control on activities. If we will go with plan, then we will able to control all over the activities which is are to be part of our work. Proper coordination. If we will go with the planning, then we have proper coordination among the worker which is are performing the work into the series. Chance of mistakes are reduced if we will go with planning. Otherwise, there will be lots of chance of mistakes in work if we will not go with our planning. Creativity. If we will go with planning, then we are able to create some new things in our work, or if we will do our work with the proper planning, then some kind of positive creativity can be also done. In the physical education and sports, planning have most important role. If, for example, if we will go to take part into the competition with our team and we have no plan, then we will never succeed in our aim. If we will go with planning, we can create some kind of new record, we can go through with the maximum result with minimum effort. Planning is the most important part of the games and sports. Everything is to be done with the planning. For example, in schools, every teacher is plan their syllabus. School have timetable. Timetable is also part of our planning. If we will not plan, then school will not run in proper ways, or teachers are not able to finish their syllabus if they will not plan and given time. This so planning have most important part of our life. So that's all for today. Next class I will again post videos about syllabus. I already given information in the group, so please tick your book, tick the topic which is as deleted from the syllabus, and in next I will also post some new videos. Thank you.